Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Sunday. It's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. It's day 31 of our Be Creative Challenge. And sorry it took us a little bit later to get the video out today, but we had kind of a busy Sunday at home. And I hope you had a great Sunday at home too. Here in Southern California, it was a little cold and dreary today. So we made a fire, got some stuff done. It was great. I hope you get to be creative. I hope you had a good time with family today. And I'm going to talk to you over the next couple days about exploration, because exploration with the camera is a powerful tool. And what I want to talk about today is many of you have questions for me about the light. Mark, how come you do this and how come you do that? It's because of the light. So you can see in the room here, we have the room light, the ambient light. And this is the light that most beginning photographers try to photograph under. And you're going to find that this light is challenging because it has no direction. It's not soft light, but it's just general light. It's like a blah of light on the scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn out the room lights. You can see we have window light now. And I have used the Litra torch a lot in this video series. And we have the Litra torch in the picture now. And you can see that this is a small light source which has a strong directionality. It's a harsher light on the image. The light has to match your subject. We used the harsh light when we did the cheese grater. We used the harsh light for a number of other things in the picture. We used the harsh light for the oil and the water. Are tulips harsh or soft? They're soft. So we don't want a harsh light. We don't want a small light source. We want a large light source. Now this is the Savage LED Pro light panel. You can see it's a physically larger light source. It's 12 by 12 inches. It's a softer light on the tulips. I want you to practice with the light sources you have. And whether that's the indoor light, the window light, or a flashlight, or one of the photo quality lights is fine. Now, you're going to take your camera, here, Canon EOS R 24-70 lens, to get these beautiful tulips. And I'm going to start with front light. I'm going to start shooting with the light. Now, I'm at f5.6, ISO 3200. That's not quite enough. So I'm going to change the ISO and I'm going to go to, excuse me, I was at 1600. I'm going to go to 3200 ISO. All right, great. I'm about 70 on the zoom, and now I need to adjust the focus point. Adjust the focus point right there. And boom. Adjust the focus point right there. And I've got my shot. Yes. So that's a beautiful front light, side light picture. But for the tulips, I'm going to move here. So I'm not shooting directly into the light, but it's a cross light. And so I'm shooting with the light across the tulips. And it's a powerful light for this picture. Oh yeah, right there. Beautiful. Yes, I got to move the light up, the focus point up a little bit. Right there. I'm at f5.6. Awesome. Now, I'm going to change my exposure compensation on this one and go to a -1 exposure compensation because the background is so dark. Yes, that's the right exposure right there. And I've got the focus right there. And it's a beautiful scene. So what have we done? We've experimented with 3 different light sources. The ambient light in the room, a small light source, a large light source. And then we've moved around the subject. Here, dead backlight directly into the light is a different light source, a different look to the picture. All right, having a little bit hard trouble. You'll find that into the light, the camera has a little bit of hard time focusing, and that's okay. You just got to make it work. Right there, beautiful. Playing with the light, experimenting with the light. Tomorrow we'll experiment with other things on these beautiful tulips because hopefully we've got a couple days on them before they open up and then they start to droop. I love to experiment with my camera. I love to test new things, try new things. And I hope in the Be Creative series, you're getting that feeling. I know a lot of you are writing to me and asking me questions about why do you do this and how do you do that? It's to learn, it's to explore, it's to be the better pictures. So what do I want you to do? I want you to experiment with the light. I want you to practice with the light. I want you to go outside and move around a subject. I want you to come inside with an artificial light and move around the subject, or move the light around the subject. And then we're going to share those. We're going to post them. We're going to post them at We're All Together, hashtag We're All Together, hashtag Creative Photo Academy, hashtag Paul's Photo. That way we can all see the pictures and share them and react with them together. I hope you liked the poppies that I posted yesterday. I'm going to have some exciting news for you over the next couple days. I've got some cool things that are coming that I can't talk about yet. Be sure you tune in, be sure you watch, be sure you participate, and be sure you share your pictures and have fun. Happy Sunday to everybody. Happy Easter. Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the Creative Photo Academy, in the lab at Paul's Photo, saying make some pictures, have some fun, and enjoy your time at home. Because we have this time at home. Let's be creative and let's learn our cameras and get stronger. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you very much.